Cool evenings call for a clean, efficient flame, and the Disco Fire Pit delivers just that. Built for those who crave heat without the mess, this smokeless fire pit blends rugged function with modern design. Crafted from durable stainless steel and grounded by aluminum alloy feet. It's a tough companion for patios, backyards, or remote campsites. The jet engine-inspired profile and strategic air vents generate a mesmerizing vortex effect, making every fire not just warm, but visually captivating. From first light to deep dusk, this intelligent home sentinel never rests. Equipped with face recognition, it identifies familiar faces and alerts you instantly to unknown visitors. Its early fire detection system scans for smoke signatures and sudden thermal spikes, giving you precious seconds when it matters most. Safety extends indoors with elder fall recognition, which notifies caregivers the moment a tumble is detected. No delay, no guesswork. Gaming excellence now fits in the palm of your hand. The Lenovo Legion Go S rewrites the rules with a handheld device that balances raw power and versatility. Whether you're posted up on the couch or deep into a cross-country trip, this compact gaming machine transforms anywhere into a battleground. Fueled by AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or Z1 Extreme platforms, the Legion Go S delivers the kind of performance usually reserved for full-sized rigs. It rips through demanding titles without stutter, heat, or compromise. The COR pump is a powerful and compact solution designed to elevate your kitesurfing experience. With a maximum output of 15 psi, it ensures fast inflation, reducing pump time by up to 50%. Its travel-size design makes it convenient for carrying to your next adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach or the lake, this pump is ideal for all types of kites, paddleboards, and even car tires, offering versatility in one portable package. The Fine Day 3.0 Aluminum Edition keyboard combines nostalgic design with modern functionality, offering a unique typing experience. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, it can pair with up to 3 wireless devices and 1 USB connection, allowing seamless multitasking. You can use both Bluetooth and USB connections simultaneously, managing up to 4 devices at once. The keyboard features an ergonomic 9.22-degree cradling angle, ensuring comfortable typing for long periods without straining your neck. When your day demands power without compromise, the EcoFlow River 3 delivers. This compact yet capable power station holds a 245 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery that brings high-efficiency performance with enhanced durability and safety. Whether you're out in the backcountry or riding out a storm at home, the River 3 offers a stable 300-watt AC output, surging up to 600 watts for heavier tools or appliances. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about flexibility, and the Li-Po Dual Views delivers both in a sleek 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display built for real productivity. Whether you're deep into code, editing visuals, or managing spreadsheets, its 1080p resolution brings clarity without straining your eyes, thanks to an advanced eye care screen. Designed with mobility in mind, it weighs just under 1.7 pounds and slips easily into your laptop bag. The longer Nano Duo portable laser engraving machine stands out with its remarkable 5,000 millimeters per second engraving speed, offering precision and efficiency for various materials. Featuring a 6-watt laser output, it ensures high-quality engravings and cuts on a range of surfaces, from wood and acrylic to leather, fabric, metal, and ceramic. This compact machine is perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to create intricate designs and detailed engravings with ease. Moisture meets elegance in the Aeromoss Planting Humidifier, a refined addition to any living space that harmonizes wellness with nature. With a 500 milliliter tank, it quietly delivers ultra-fine mist for up to 10 hours straight using ultrasonic atomization. The soft hum barely registers, making it ideal for bedrooms, workspaces, or meditation corners. Embedded within its sleek form is a planting box tailored for compact greenery like moss or delicate ferns, bringing a dash of living decor to your surroundings. Upgrade your ride effortlessly with Scarper, the revolutionary electric conversion system that transforms your regular road bike into an e-bike. Designed for cyclists who want to enjoy the benefits of electric power without sacrificing the feel of their beloved bike, Scarper offers seamless integration, delivering power when needed and leaving you in control when you want to pedal freely. With its sleek, click-on system, Scarper ensures a lightweight, high-performance experience without the bulk of traditional e-bikes or complex conversion kits. A clean start should never depend on location. Whether you're waking in a tent beneath mountain stars or prepping for a boardroom in a high-rise, the Uplang electric portable toothbrush ensures you're always ready. Weighing just 3.1 ounces and measuring under 7 inches, this compact powerhouse slips into any carry-on, day pack, or desk drawer without compromise. Its precision-engineered sonic motor delivers up to 38,000 brush strokes per minute, cutting through plaque while being gentle on enamel and gums. The Aseal World First 4K Smart Portable Quad Monitor redefines the limits of portable display technology, offering an unmatched visual experience. This innovative monitor features a unique 4-screen display, delivering 4 separate screens in one compact unit. Each screen boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring crystal-clear images and vibrant colors for a truly immersive viewing experience. Designed for ultimate convenience, the Aseal monitor is equipped with 4 smart functional buttons, allowing users to easily control each screen's settings. Breath. Mentally Reset in Minutes is a transformative tool for anyone seeking a quick yet effective way to regain balance amidst the pressures of daily life. In just a few minutes, this simple breathing technique offers a reset for the mind, easing stress and sharpening focus. Whether you're facing a hectic day, struggling with anxiety, or simply need to regain clarity, this routine is an accessible solution, requiring no prior experience or costly equipment. A workspace doesn't need to be static. The Lifespan Ampera Desk Bike fuses movement with productivity, transforming long office hours into active, power-generating sessions. Featuring a 2-inch thick seat made from high-density molded foam and wrapped in breathable fabric, it adapts to a range of heights, from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, thanks to a pneumatic lever. This keeps your posture aligned and your energy levels steady, even during the longest stretches. Compact, consistent, and built to perform, this pasta maker brings fresh homemade pasta to your kitchen without the hassle. It automatically kneads and extrudes 2 to 3 servings of pasta in just 18 minutes, making it a time-saving tool for busy cooks who crave quality. Its uniquely designed stirring bar ensures efficient mixing, and the included shaping discs, spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine deliver smooth, uniform pasta with a double extrusion process. Set your desk in motion with a precision-crafted kinetic fingertip flip skill toy built to mesmerize. Designed to flip, roll, and fall with a natural rhythm, this skill toy invites repeated interaction through effortless balance and unexpected movement. Compact and smooth, at just over 2 inches long, it fits perfectly in your hand or pocket, ready to engage your focus whenever the need strikes. The kinetic fingertip flip skill toy is more than just a visual trick. It's a desk companion that relieves tension, sparks creativity, and trains dexterity. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat. The AeroGarden Harvest 2.0 is an innovative, compact hydroponic garden designed to seamlessly blend into your home, while providing an easy and efficient way to grow your favorite plants indoors. With its sleek design, it offers a smart and stylish solution for cultivating fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers year-round without the need for soil. The newly redesigned features of the Harvest 2.0 enhance the growing experience. For creative professionals in the culinary arts, precision and personalization elevate presentation. The EvaBot Food Print Pen merges compact portability with cutting-edge technology, empowering chefs, bakers, and baristas to bring edible art to life on cookies, cakes, macarons, and even foamy beverages. Whether branding bar drinks with QR codes or topping cupcakes with text, this handheld printer enables consistent results across curved surfaces thanks to its built-in roller sensor. In a world where conversations carry weight, discretion is power. The NG4200 PhoneSafe Summit understands that silence isn't just golden, it's essential. Built with acoustic integrity in mind, this advanced privacy device suppresses audio surveillance with a dual interference system targeting both bottom and top microphones. By generating non-filterable ultrasonic frequencies, completely inaudible to the human ear, it neutralizes all known smartphone listening capabilities without breaking any laws. Introducing the SCADU M1, a groundbreaking cleaning device that elevates home hygiene to the next level. The M1 combines versatility with powerful technology designed to efficiently clean and sterilize your home in a single pass. With the ability to vacuum both wet and dry messes, this device tackles all types of surfaces effortlessly, from carpets to hard floors. Incorporating cutting-edge features, the SCADU M1 offers a handheld vacuum mode for precise cleaning in tight spaces. Locked and loaded for high-stakes mobile gaming, the Absolute S9 pushes beyond the limits of average controllers. Built for iPhone 15, 16, iPad mini 6, 7, and Android devices, this full-size Bluetooth and Type-C gamepad transforms your handheld experience into console-level command. Dual Hall-effect joysticks offer precise movement control with virtually no drift, while responsive triggers ensure fast-twitch accuracy in every firefight. The BenQ GV50 laser portable projector delivers a versatile and immersive viewing experience. With a 500 lumen output, it ensures sharp visuals in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Native 1080p resolution, combined with 4K support guarantees vivid and clear image quality, enhancing your movie nights or presentations. The projector comes with a tripod base, making it easy to set up and position for optimal viewing. Experience a whole new level of flying with the DJI Avata 2, where the sky is no longer the limit. This advanced drone offers an immersive experience, letting you feel as though you're in the cockpit, with real-time visual feedback directly through your goggles. The thrill of flight is paired with the freedom of effortless control. No need for complex buttons, simply move your hand to guide the drone, providing a seamless and intuitive experience that even beginners will enjoy. The Fantic X9 Cross Paddleboard Pump is a versatile, high-performance air pump designed for various outdoor and recreational activities. Capable of reaching up to 75 psi, it offers efficient inflation and deflation for paddleboards, kayaks, tents, and more. The auto-off feature ensures convenience, stopping the pump when the desired pressure is achieved. This reduces the risk of overinflation while providing a smooth and accurate experience. Rugged streets and icy mountain trails finally converge into one platform. Meet the Boardrop, a hybrid training tool and immersive motion controller crafted from real recycled snowboards and skateboards. Designed to blur the lines between gaming and sport, Board Drop responds to every twist, turn, and lean using advanced motion tracking. Whether you're grinding out a digital halfpipe or enhancing real-world balance and core strength, it delivers a dynamic, full-body workout wrapped in LED-powered flair. Under starlit skies or sunny backyards, a Roundfire turns any setting into a gathering. This compact powerhouse delivers grilling, cooking, and a cozy fire pit all in one, ready to go in just 30 seconds. Built for ease and impact, the Roundfire grill table combines stainless steel strength with thoughtful portability, making it the ultimate companion for patios, campgrounds, tailgates, or beachside dinners. Carrying meals to work should be simple, smart, and space-saving. And that's exactly what the VLB Smart Vertical Lunchbox delivers. Designed for professionals and busy individuals, this lunchbox stands upright to maximize your bag space while keeping your meals organized. With a quick flip, it transforms from vertical to horizontal, offering flexible mealtime arrangements wherever you are. The VLB features removable food containers, giving you easy access to your lunch without any hassle. When outdoor heat becomes relentless, a high-performance solution like this instant cooling vest is essential. Engineered with 2 high-speed fans, it delivers immediate airflow across your core, pushing hot air out and drawing cool relief in within seconds. Built for versatility, the vest features 3 precise cooling levels, letting you control your comfort whether you're working in the yard, hiking trails, or enduring a summer commute. Equipped with a robust 10,000 mAh power bank, it runs for hours without interruption. When the heat bears down and the sun dips low, the Giselife Ultra One steps in as your all-in-one camp essential. This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers more than just airflow. It merges high-speed cooling, ambient lighting, and emergency power into one rugged, compact tool. Its brushless motor cranks out wind speeds up to 16.5 meters per second, pushing 45,000 RPM with 10 precise fan settings to dial in your comfort. Even from 10 feet away, you'll feel the steady breeze slicing through stagnant air. When deep muscle fatigue sets in after long hours on your feet or relentless workouts, you need more than a gentle touch. You need results. The OYO Total Body Massage delivers exactly that. Designed with a 2-in-1 system, it merges lateral vibration and percussion therapy for powerful relief. Whether you're battling tension in your lower back, stiffness in your shoulders, or soreness in your legs, this massager gets to the root of the issue with precision. The innovative vibrating belt moves side to side, penetrating tight muscle fibers with rhythmic power. Unlike traditional cubes that rely solely on muscle memory and repetitive practice, this futuristic cube integrates cutting-edge AI to create an entirely new way to engage with puzzle solving. The XMars AI Robot Cube takes learning to the next level by teaching you how to solve the cube with intelligent built-in guidance. No smartphone or app required. The AI-powered learning mode provides real-time hints, while Watch and Learn mode lets users observe the cube solve itself. XeraGrow revolutionizes hair regrowth with cutting-edge technology designed for your convenience.